Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sam Inspire Vlog. So today I'm going to bring you to a motor garage. This motor garage is called Siem Garage. Siem Garage is managed by a Korean guy who used to live here in the hospitality, but during this COVID-19 pandemic and before he switched his restaurant to be a garage. So this one is more about recycling motorbikes, not any new motorbike here. So he has all he collect all the old motorbike to his garage and make it workable. So and then he can sell it or rent it to expat or some tourists here. Mainly in this shop there's no new motorbike at all who come to fix, only the old motorbike, just like mine that I invented from a very old motorbike to be mine. But today my motorbike is not working, so I brought it here to fix it with Mr. Siem Garage that is managed by a not young, but the Cambodian expert in big motorbike service. So he do the maintenance for me. Okay, so let's take a tour to his garage, how it look like. If you want to come, it is on San Road between Old Market, Kesoko Karaoke and Swainungom Pagoda. So it's just something like 1 kilometer west of Old Market on Silver Street on San Road. Okay, let's take a tour together. Here we go. Okay, this guy here is Mr. Saw. He's the mechanic here. He's the expert and the only staff of Mr. Siem. So you can see all these spare parts collected from the recycled motorbike or old motorbike. Anything that is not usable, they bring it to fix in his workshop. This is FTR. Actually, this is the original motorbike of mine, and this is Mr. Siem motorbike. He's still doing something as well. And this one is my motorbike. Is not the engine not started. So there's some big problem with the system, with the power system. Okay, you can see here there's a lot of motorbike in his shop. Some of them the customer bring it for fixing. Some of them is available for sale in his shop. See, all these big motorbike. Yeah, and also some small Kawasaki. Yeah. Okay, this one is like the seat and many new spare parts as well as old spare parts around his shop. Yeah, very messy. I don't understand anything. This one is mine. This is the lighting control, the lighting wiring. So there's big problem here because too old, so it doesn't work properly, so you have to check everything out. So I got to take also the gasoline tank, so have more space. There are also some nest of some insect. Yeah, he has to take out everything because there's a big I don't know what to say in English, but the wiring is go from one line to the other line, so it's make a big conflict and sometimes it's exploding. So now he's checking everything for me. As an experience using old motorbike like me, I could say that Mr. Shaw, this mechanic, He's very knowledge and very experienced in fixing this kind of motorbike. If I had brought to the wrong garage, I think it would cost me so much, and maybe I have to replace everything. But with his skill, he checked everything for me, and now it's almost done. I think he find out that there's some line is disconnect. There's some line is cut in the middle of the cable, so you need to check, you need to fix it. Right, we have tested everything and everything is work. So now he reinstall it, putting the lighting back. So soon it will be done. So he's now doing all his job. Since my motorbike also got a weak rear suspension, so I had to improve it to be stronger as well. So now he has moved the suspension and he will upgrade it to be stronger, because I need to bring my whole family on the same motorbike, so I need to make it stronger. Because in the past, when we go anywhere all together, we can't. It is very hard because my motorbike is reinvented, so sometimes it's not going properly as the original way. Okay, you can see my suspension is weak, so now he take out and then he will improve it to be stronger by using change. And let's see together how it works. It is also a surprise to see that Mr. Sim, the Korean guy, he speaks Khmer very good. So he communicate with Saw with Khmer language. Mr. Saw, he seems enjoy his work so much. He's a cool, peaceful and very happy guy. So he always entertains and he do his best job without going too fast or too slow. I really like him actually. Okay, you can see here he's taking a piece of chain and to upgrade my suspension. Let's see. It's very smart actually. People have different tests. Some people need it to be the suspension to be weaker, and some people need the suspension to be stronger. Like in my case, I need it to be stronger. Okay, you can see there that the black part at the bottom. You can see that is the chain. So he upgraded to be to make this. I don't know what to say, but it's to make this stronger, actually stronger. So now he's putting everything back. Okay, it seems it is done. So now he's taking it back from that place and he move it to install into my motorbike now. Okay, you can see it's working. It take only around 15 minutes to do this job. Okay, right now everything is done. The lighting, the power system, as well as the suspension. So he's now installing and putting everything back in place. And soon it's time for me to go home. It took me the whole day actually today. Okay everyone, my motorbike is back to normal, so everything worked very well, and the total services cost me $10. Thanks for watching, all the best, and please have to subscribe, like and comment to this video and my channel as well. Thanks very much, stay safe and happy, bye bye.